place a Banner Pen order online, simply click Buy Now on the Banner Pen's website, and this will take you through to the pen range page where you can select the pen that you would like to order. So today we'll do an example with the Classic pen, and we'll do a quantity of 1000. So click the quantity that you would like from the drop-down menu and select the colour that you would like, and today we'll go with T3 Mint Green. You'll notice that it brings up the price and also an estimated delivery date, which is 3 to 4 weeks from when the artwork has been approved. The shipping is free to anywhere in UK, and the printing is on the front and the back of the banner. Then click Add to Cart, and you can confirm that you've entered the correct details. So we've gone Classic, quantity 1000 in the T3 Mint Green. Then proceed to checkout. In this section, you simply need to enter your order details, so your billing details, what date you need the pens to be delivered by, remembering they need 3 to 4 weeks from the final artwork approval. If you need to ship to a different address, simply click Ship to a different address and enter the details there. If you require any extras, pop them in this section here. So if you are providing your own design on our template, there's no need to change anything here, but if you need us to design your template for you, you'll need to supply the elements, and also it will cost £95 for us to do that. Most of the pen barrels are clear, but some are available in solid. So if you have selected one that's solid and you want printing on the pen barrel, simply click solid and that yes, you want to print on the pen barrel, and you will need to provide us the details of what you'd like to print on there. If you would like your pen to be a specific PMS colour, it is again £95. Simply select yes, and then you'll need to enter the PMS colour that you would like. And finally, select the ink colour that you like for your pen. So blue, or if you don't select one, it will default to black ink. Finally, just confirm the details of your order. So the pen type, the quantity, and the colour. If you had anything extra, it will show up in this section here. And then your payment details. So you can pay via credit card, PayPal, or direct bank transfer. And if it's a direct bank transfer, we'll send you through an invoice, which will need to be paid before we ship your order. Then click Place Your Order, and you'll be sent out an email which will request that you submit your artwork, and you can also send it online via our info@ email address, which is at the bottom of the website.